when I see sharp children. You understand? It always makes me feel good. I feel hope. I feel hope. I feel how good to this thing now. I feel a ray of hope. I feel say generation where they come still get something beautiful, amazing to offer. Lovely video. Thank you very much. Good morning to everybody with the Trowe salute. Paddy. No worry yourself. We don't start since now. No. Us know so we don't start since. So no worry yourself. Welcome to the show once again. Again, not only me when I'm going to see today because my guy, my G Ogbolo, is a little bit under the weather. But you know, be firewood. So my guy needs to go and treat himself. You understand? So when he come back, I can slap him again. Because it's not really okay if I dey slap him, he can't fall down. So make you go treat himself so he can take in all my shouting and all my slapping and all my hitting of his head. All right, so at the Trowe Salute, they greet everybody today for Inside Paddy. All right, so go just give you Yan the Yan real quick. I don't know whether they want to show you another video before Yan the Yan, but we go one short break, and then when we come back, we enter inside the matter of the day. Not every time play, sometimes serious. Today, serious. Yes, I'm coming back. Enter quick the case of Yan the Yan. Now, I always talk this thing, say, I don't know what thing they happen to people. I don't know whether I thought this, I said people know well, when I say people well, people are not really all right. The people well. Are just very small, maybe me and a few other people. The remaining people know well. Ask me why. You know, say for this same Kenya, now we dey see house footage of a house girl where they throw away pikin, use the pikin, they do am football, small pikin, they do am football, give am maximum fracture for body. Now this same Kenya, we see where person carry small pikin, house girl carry pikin, he carry and slam am for wall. Now this same Kenya, we see where woman carry iron take burn house girl. Now another one don't come out again for inside Kenya. Karen Munini on top Wednesday, that was yesterday, October 14, he don't enter court now because she been assault her house help for head and for chest, causing some major injury to the girl body. The girl in hospital now where then they treat her. Now, she be mother of two, she get 2 children. She talks saying she no do anything, but there was graphic pictures of what she do to this particular house help. Now, Kasarani, OCPD Robinson Moboile, that one at the head of the police person for that their side for Kenya there, talk say Esther Ngalima, she be 20 years old. She talk say na neighbors na can rescue her come up for the hand of her oga because they can't carry and go Kukuyi Mission Hospital where then they treat her head and her chest for injuries. Now, the girl sustained head injuries and her employer then arrest her by the chief of the police station. We bring her conversation. Now, my point is, you can't wonder, what is the reason for wanting to harm another person picking for God's sake? For example, now she gets 2 children. Yes, this woman gets 2 children. And you feel, say, the best way to handle situations or the best way to treat situations, not to harm the girl. You can't wonder why. Really, why? Because at the end of the day, hello, not only you go leave her with your children. What if she decides to take revenge on those children when you know she go beat them well, starve them well before you come back? When will people learn, especially women, where they get people where they help them, house help and everything, when you go learn to understand, say the way where you treat your house help, it go determine greatly how they go treat your children. When people go begin learn this thing, it's sad. And not be only Kenya, it happen for everywhere, even for this country where we dey. It happen for every. See where some people they beat house girl, you go pity them. Some people now for raw ground, now in these people they sleep. For God's sake, have a conscience. When they come back, they make we go break. Break now. Welcome back. We're still there on top the matter of Paddy, and then we go still give you more gist based on who we be, you understand? But if you just follow us for Twitter at Wazobia Paddy, follow us for Instagram at Mayawalambe, and my guy at Ogbolo. Okay, when I do like this, you not really did that side. You understand? Today I'm not really in my craze mode. You understand? So Moku just talk through, no day. But follow us for Twitter at Ogbolo, and then follow the station at Wazobia TVNG. All right, another gist when I want to tell you. This one I go read them out to you. Like I talk, not every time play. Sometimes let's be serious. And this one we dey talk about serious matter. Now I go read them for you exactly according to the news, so that people for take note, so that the mind of people that for wait for inside this country of Nigeria, when I go mind for calm down on top this Boko Haram matter. All right, Obama now don't order 300 troops to Cameroon to support fight against Boko Haram. I go read them according to the story we then talk, according to the informate where we get. Now, President Obama on top Wednesday will be yesterday, October 14, talk saying don't order 300 troops to Cameroon to work with West African soldiers on top the matter we concern Nigerian extremist group Boko Haram. For inside the letter to the congressperson where they write, Obama talks say the troop go provide intelligence, surveillance, and resonance inside the region. Now, waiting they try talk, they say they go give us an opportunity and know how to take fight this matter, and then you know, all these camera spy things them then go bring and come out, and they will put our troops together, give us training, give us all those things, them support where we need to take do this particular matter, where we say they go safeguard and they watch and even do things them to help around the area where they suspect that this extremist group them did. Now that the Boko Haram they talk about. Now, White House Press Secretary Just Ernest Naim talk said the troop go they armed for their own protection, but they no go engage for any kind of combat. Though they go get the particular this thing where they need, the particular protection where they need, the particular ammunition where they need, but they no go enter any combat. I should say the only reason we're going to make them enter combat now when if it is extremely necessary. But they go they armed with the protection where they need, but they no go enter inside any combat. President Obama can talk say that na advanced force of about 90 military personnel, 90 military people, and they don't begin carry them go Cameroon, where we say the Cameroon now be the border to Niger on top Monday, October 12th. Now then starts this waka of carrying about 90 military personnel enter inside Cameroon to come help out with this particular mission. Now, administration official contact say unarmed predators, drones will be sent with the troops. That one means say then go still send people them we go right to begin, you know, drones, that one, all those bomb things, all those things that where they need to fight this thing, then go send everything together with the troops, that one with the army people them where they come. So they go help them to do multiple things at the same time. No be say they go only they do they go do different things at the same time. Where we say if they join them together with even the soldiers from Cameroon, from Chad, from Benin, from Niger, and from Nigeria, together with the soldiers where they come from inside the America, they go join everything together on top of this Boko Haram matter. And personally, I know say no be everybody opinion, but this is not my own personal opinion. I think it's a very good thing. It's about time something needs to be done. All right, too much talk done to make we just laugh small, and then we could just move. Enter inside Yan. I don't tell you say today's show now straight to the point. Make una for no say even us can be straight to the point. You understand? We have the ability to be straight to the point. So we will just give you the wow, the English don't run. We'll give you the ethics of the mouth opening agenda that results in a laughter, aka laugh the laugh. You understand? For Instagram, I talk once again at Mayowa Lambe. Follow Ogbolo at Ogbolo. Why is every time I want to talk Ogbolo, I go do like this? I miss him. Follow Ogbolo at Ogbolo, and then follow the station at Wazobia TV NG. Follow us for YouTube, Wazobia TV /Paddy on top of YouTube, and Facebook, Wazobia TV. We did here for you live and direct. We love you so much. Thank you so much for watching the show and bearing with us today, based on say as the matter take be. You understand? Thank you so much. We love you. Have a wonderful.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.